Ever wondered why an octopus changes color or how bats navigate in the dark? Welcome to our video where we delve into some of the most unusual animal behaviors and unique traits. From the masters of mimicry and bioluminescence to the marvels of hibernation and echolocation, we'll explore these intriguing behaviors and more. We'll also take you through the fascinating world of tool use, migratory patterns, ant navigation, regeneration, social structures, and migration timing. Ready to have your mind blown by the fascinating world of animals? Let's dive in. Imagine blending into your surroundings at will or creating your own light in the deep, dark sea. Sounds like a superhero, right? But this is just everyday life for some extraordinary creatures. Take, for instance, the octopus. This master of disguise can change not only its color, but also its texture and shape to match its environment. It's all thanks to special cells known as chromatophores in its skin. These cells, filled with pigment, can expand or contract, allowing the octopus to put on a veritable visual performance at a moment's notice. Then there are certain kinds of butterflies, blessed with wings that carry patterns mimicking the eyes of a larger creature or the appearance of a poisonous species. This clever ruse can deter potential predators, providing these delicate insects with an added layer of protection. But let's dive deeper. Down in the inky depths of the ocean, where sunlight cannot penetrate, some creatures have evolved to produce their own source of illumination. Through a chemical reaction within their bodies, these deep-sea dwellers emit a glow, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Whether it's a jellyfish using its ethereal light to attract prey or a lanternfish camouflaging itself against the faint light from above, these bioluminescent creatures turn the darkness of the ocean depths into a mesmerizing light show. These creatures certainly know how to put on a show, don't they? From the surface to the sea, nature's artistry and ingenuity never cease to amaze. From a long winter's nap to navigating in the dark, some animals have quite the survival skills. Consider hibernation, a fascinating adaptation to harsh conditions. For instance, bears, bats, and certain rodents turn down their metabolic dial and enter a state of deep sleep to conserve energy when food is scarce. It's like hitting the snooze button on life while winter rages on outside. But what about when the lights go out? That's where echolocation comes in. This biological sonar is used by bats and certain marine mammals like dolphins and whales. They emit sound waves that bounce off objects in their environment. The reflected waves return to their ears, providing information about the location and distance of obstacles or prey. Imagine being able to see with sound, even in complete darkness. Talk about having a built-in GPS and a cozy cave for the winter. Some animals are not just survivors, but innovators and globetrotters too. Take, for instance, crows and primates. These creatures demonstrate a knack for tool use that would put some of us to shame. Crows have been known to fashion hooks from twigs, use cars as nutcrackers, and even communicate with each other using tools. Similarly, chimps and other primates use stones as hammers and sticks as probes to retrieve food, demonstrating a level of cognitive ability that is rare in the animal kingdom. But it's not all about brain power. Some creatures, like the Arctic tern and the monarch butterfly, are true globetrotters. The Arctic tern, a small bird with a big heart, undertakes an incredible migration that spans from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again annually. The monarch butterfly, on the other hand, covers thousands of miles in a multi-generational migration that takes it from North America to warmer climes in Mexico. Who knew birds could be such seasoned travelers and crows such clever tool users? We're not done yet. From tiny ants to salamanders, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Picture this: an ant returning to its colony, skillfully navigating its way back. It's not just sheer luck or memory. Ants use a combination of pheromone trails and celestial cues to find their way home. These complex navigation skills are an incredible feat, especially considering their small size. Now, imagine if you could grow back a lost limb. Sounds like a superhero ability, right? Well, for certain species of salamanders, it's just another day in the park. These fascinating creatures possess the remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs, and even parts of their heart and brain. The process is a complex one, where cells at the injury site revert to a more primitive state and start the process of regrowth. Imagine being able to grow back a lost limb or find your way home without a map. Truly, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. Last but not least, let's talk about some complex social structures and mysterious migrations. Bees, ants, and termites, while small in size, showcase intricate social structures within their colonies. Each individual has a specialized role to play, from the tireless workers and fearless soldiers to the all-important queens. This division of labor ensures the survival and prosperity of the colony, forming a harmonious society that works in unison. Switching gears, let's delve into the world of lemmings. These small mammals are often associated with suicidal mass migrations, a concept that's hotly debated. What's not up for debate, though, is their propensity for population explosions and mass migrations. Driven by ecological factors, these migrations are a testament to the lemmings' adaptability and resilience in the face of environmental changes. From tiny insects to small mammals, these creatures show us that size doesn't matter when it comes to complex behaviors and survival strategies. And there you have it, a fascinating glimpse into the world of unusual animal behaviors and unique traits. We've journeyed through the realms of mimicry, where octopuses and butterflies display stunning camouflage abilities. We've delved into the depths of the ocean to discover bioluminescent fish and jellyfish, creating light shows of their own. We've seen how bears and bats hibernate, slowing their metabolism to conserve energy during harsh conditions, and how bats and dolphins use echolocation to navigate in the dark. We've watched as crows and chimpanzees use tools, highlighting their cognitive abilities. We've tracked long-distance migrations of birds and butterflies, and marveled at the precise navigation skills of ants. We've been awed by the regenerative abilities of salamanders, and admired the intricate social structures of bees, ants, and termites. And we've learned the truth about the lemmings' mass migrations. Remember, the next time you see a butterfly or a bat, there's more to them than meets the eye. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.